Hello everybody and welcome back to our Posworx training. Today I'm going to show you on how to create a user for Posworx. On the home screen, I'm going to click on Management, Users, and in the Manage Users screen, you are able to see all your current users. Here you have your user ID, your username, name, surname, email address, enabled users, enrolled users, maximum discount for users, current template, number, and employee code. On the right, you can type in an employee name and search for them in the search box here. You can click on Advanced Search, and by default, it's set to show enabled users. Below you have your options, New User. You can click on New User to create a new user. I will be showing you how to create a new user shortly. You can click on Edit to edit a user. You can disable a user. You can select on a user and print the user's details. You can select on a user and enroll user's finger. Time and attendance. You can set targets for a user and you can import the user targets. I'm now going to show you how to create a user. I'm going to click on New User and I'm going to fill out the details for this user. Here you have a user number. Each employee gets a user number. A user number can be used when processing a sale on the sales screen. Instead of selecting the drop-down to select a salesperson, you can insert the user number. This helps to speed up the checkout process. I'm going to give this user number 1 to fill out the details. Username. The username is usually the same as the name. The password is set at a default password 1234 and can be changed at a later stage. Telephone number. You can enter in a fax number, cell phone number, you can enter in an email address, challenge code. A challenge code is used for authenticating users. This will be discussed in a security module. Maximum discount. Maximum discount is set at 100%. You can edit this according to the user's rights. I'm going to make this 10% as this is a sales user. User commission. If the user earns commission on their sales, you can enter in the percentage amount in here. Employee code can be found at payroll. Security template is unticked because when creating a user, you want to create a sales assistant and only tick the template that you want to apply to the user. Enabled, as you see, this user is enabled. I'm going to click on the next tab, Stores. Here you will find a list of all your stores. Select on the store the user will be located. Click Edit, and an Access Rights dialog box like this appears. You can click on the plus and edit the rights to this user. Or you could use the predefined security template by selecting on the drop-down. I'm going to select Sales, click Apply, and a message appears. Are you sure you want to apply selected template sales to the current user? I'm going to click Yes, OK, and OK on the bottom of the screen. And that is how you would create a user on Posworx. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.